Next one, Wagner-Merwin rearrangement. Wagner-Merwin rearrangement means in this rearrangement, hydrogen, alcohol or aryl group migrates from one carbon to a neighboring carbon. Then it is known as Wagner-Merwin rearrangement. In this rearrangement, an alcohol is converted to an olefin using an acid catalyst. Here we are taking an alcohol which can be converted to olefin. Then it is known as Wagner-Merwin rearrangement. This is also known as the lesser carbocation can be rearranged to higher carbocation. In this rearrangement, hydrogen or alkyl or aryl group migrates from one carbon to neighboring carbon. Then it is known as Wagner-Merwin rearrangement. For this we are taking alcohol, neopentyl alcohol. It gives two types of products. This is the major product and this is minor product. Mechanism, we are taking this alcohol which is not a neopentyl alcohol, isobutyl alcohol. We are taking isobutyl alcohol which is on reaction with H plus in presence of acid. The lone pair of electrons on oxygen atom abstracts these hydrogens which undergoes protonation. This alcohol undergoes protonation to form a compound like this. CH2OH2 with positive charge. Next step, elimination of water molecule to form a carbocation. To form a carbocation like this. This is a primary carbocation which undergoes rearrangement to form tertiary carbocation. Then it is known as Wagner-Merwin rearrangement. Lesser carbocation to higher carbocation is also known as Wagner-Merwin rearrangement. Here migration of methyl group. This methyl group or this any methyl group can be migrated to this carbon to form another carbocation like this, CH2 with positive charge. In the next step, elimination of H plus. Hydrogen is eliminated. Hydrogen is eliminated from this carbon atom. It forms a compound like this, CH. Here H plus is eliminated and it forms a CH2 with minus charge. Here C with positive charge forms a double bond like this, CH2 CH3. This is the minor product. Whereas H plus is eliminated from this carbon atom and it forms CH3 CH3. Here having C plus and here H plus is eliminated, it gets CH minus to form C double bond CH3, which is the major product because double bond should be present. Higher substituents, double bonded carbon having higher substituents, so it is the major product. And it is having this double bond carbon having less substituent, so it is minor product. This is the Wagner-Merwin rearrangement. Wagner-Merwin rearrangement means in this rearrangement hydrogen, alkyl or aryl group migrates from one carbon to a neighboring carbon. Here we are taking an alcohol, isobutyl alcohol, which undergoes rearrangement in presence of acid catalyst to form olefins. Here we are taking alcohol, it gives olefins on in presence of acid catalyst. Then it is known as Wagner-Merwin rearrangement. Mechanism: we are taking an alcohol which undergoes reaction with acid. Acid always gives hydrogens. So the lone pair of electrons on oxygen atom abstracts these hydrogens, which undergoes protonation to form a product like this. In the next step, elimination of this water molecule to form a carbocation, which is a primary carbocation. This undergoes migration of this methyl group from this carbon to this carbon to form tertiary carbocation. This is primary and this is tertiary. This tertiary carbocation is more stable, then it forms the products. From here, last step, elimination of proton from this carbon atom to form minor product, whereas elimination of proton from this carbon forms major product. This is about Wagner-Merwin rearrangement.